I think we see gene therapy as really changing the face of really the whole medical industry. Gene therapy has the ability to revolutionize healthcare really to all stakeholders. The ability to provide a one-time potentially curative therapy to a patient that in many cases they may have no treatment alternatives whatsoever. This is a real strategic decision that uniQure made to heavily invest in manufacturing and technology.
In our manufacturing facility, we're in control of our processes, and we can more rapidly move a candidate from early development into clinical development.
Making the development process from a clinical standpoint and a regulatory standpoint as streamlined as possible is going to be very important in our field. We control our manufacturing process. We man all the quality compliance and quality assurance.
Here at uniQure, we have a relentless focus on quality. It's actually one of our core values. The organization as a whole, from the top down, has a very high commitment to infusing quality in everything that we do.
We've built these facilities from the ground up, so we have a very strong understanding of the quality and the robustness of the process. We really view this as a very important strategic advantage for uniQure.
One unique feature that uniQure has built in this facility is really A to Z manufacturing. Because of the development of a manufacturing platform and the fact that we own and we operate our own manufacturing facility, we can go from discovery all the way through early clinical work, late clinical work, and then finally to producing commercial supplies and delivering those products to our patients.
With any biologic, the product is the process. And so we wanted to control this process because we think in the end it will produce higher quality product, better ability to scale, a more cost-efficient process, and a more predictable process.
We've built a state-of-the-art gene therapy manufacturing facility. It's a dedicated multi-product facility. There's 8,000 square feet of late-stage development space. We have a quality control lab where we do analytical testing. There's 12,000 square feet of controlled manufacturing space. It's been inspected and approved for GMP manufacturing. uniQure has been and continues to be a leader in gene therapy.
The cost of chronic therapy is extremely expensive for the industry. Actually providing a treatment that allows the body to self-medicate, I mean, it's really transformative. The notion that you can address a disease that impacts tens of millions of patients, that's extremely exciting, not just for us, but for the industry in general.